Man, this mask feels hot after so long. Good morning, it's time to raise the dead. This is SkullCross. We have power! Oh yeah! There. Louisiana, Maryville, we have power, yeah. Okay. Anyway, what I'm about to show you is graphic. No, I'm kidding. It's not graphic. Then why would you tell them they're graphic? I don't know. I'm just joking around. Anyway, a lot of limbs were down. We got a tree or two down. And out in the woods, there's a whole lot of trees down. A lot of trees. A lot of trees down. Just not on the house or in the yard. Yeah, anyway, I am glad the power's on. I know a lot of people still don't have power. It's day 13, day I'm recording this. Probably gonna get this video out today because I haven't been able to because my phone has bad battery and I haven't got a new one yet. And it's been horrible. Anyway. Yeah. Now we're going to look back at the last 13 days. Well, not all the days. I don't have videos for all of the days. But they're here for you. The ones that I do have. So there. You will see what I went through. Or what the process of getting our lights on and air and all that good stuff. Man, this mask is hot. I need to take it off. Man, I'm not used to it. Okay. Here's the thing, whatever. Here you go. Before we have AC, lights, and TV. Have water again. It's a little dark in here, but I was trying to take a shower. I took a shower. I'm not trying to take a shower. I did take a shower. First time in like 5 days. Day 5, took a shower. Day 6, some people in DeRitter have power. Not us though. No. I mean, we have power, but we're hooked up to the generator. We have fans. Day 7, still no power here. But some other places got power today, so that's cool. That's good. Yep, maybe we're next. Day 8, drinking instant coffee. Yeah, the clothesline set up. Day 10, took a, not a cold shower. Day 10, took a hot shower. Day 11, we're making MREs. Man, these things are hot. I'm eating spaghetti and he's eating something. I don't know what he's eating. Blaze, you know, my brother. We did eat MREs the other day. I ate like meatballs and stuff. Yeah. Hey, Blaze. Day 12, we have the extension cords back in the house. The power's on. Whoop, whoop. Day 13. I don't know how I feel about that, but day 13. Gonna celebrate with a ginger ale. Bold. This stuff, it's like it kills me. Ah, it burns. fumes or whatever just go down your throat and just, it burns. Ginger ale bolt. It's good, but it burns. Anyway, thank you for watching the video. I hope all y'all are doing okay out there at the hurricane areas. I wish y'all luck. Hopefully it won't be as long as they said it was for some of the places, like 4 to 6 weeks. It's been 13 days now for me. It's not been that bad, but I know it's bad for a lot of people, and some people don't have generators and stuff. So good luck to all y'all, and stay safe. Hope y'all get everything back to normal soon. Yeah. Anyway, like, subscribe, comment, dislike it if you dislike it, ring the notification bell so you don't forget about me, because you know I'm easy to forget about. I'm kidding, just I don't know. Anyway, I'm weird. Good night, and rest in peace.